Today we will be looking at a crypto day trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 123 different strategies, with 42 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're looking at a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video claims that the ultimate buy sell is now free. And then it goes on to say that this strategy will double your profits. And so, of course, we're going to put those claims to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so the source video is referencing the name of the indicator. It's called the ultimate buy sell indicator. And so that's what it means when it says ultimate buy sell now free. And so once you add that to the screen, as I said, it's called the ultimate buy and sell. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen, and you'll go into the settings, and under the show hide all these settings here, you're going to check what I have checked and uncheck any that is unchecked. And so all watch signals, show buy sell signals, show buy sell circles, show ATR fill color zone. All checked, everything else is unchecked. Then you're just going to scroll down here to the buy sell signal event options. Again, you're going to check what is checked and uncheck anything that isn't here. So RSI crossing basis, RSI crossing under 75, RSI crossing over 25. And so everything else should be set on the default. I'll just go ahead and scroll down, and then I'll scroll back up here if you want to just double check. Everything else is set how it is on screen now. Quite a bit of inputs on this indicator, and so again, just double check. Alright, so that should give you what you have on screen here. And so this strategy is a one indicator strategy, and so when we get the buy signals, that's going to be our signal to go long. When we get sell signals, that's going to be our signal to go short. Now, my first complaint was that in the source video, the creator continued to ignore the fact that this signal is given one bar in the future. And so right now you can see that this bar right here does not have a sell tag above it. Click one bar in the future, now the sell tag appears, and the creator continued to set the trade. So a short trade would be here. They continued to set the trade off of this candle right here, even when price had made a push in the direction they were looking to go in, and continued to say that you would wait for the close of that candle. A little bit confusing and not quite correct. And so nonetheless, this is our sell signal. It's going to give us our sell order, and then go ahead and set that there so that way we don't do the same thing the source video did. We are going to put our stop right at the top of this purple cloud right here, and then we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward. See right there. All right, let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. All right, so you can see that we made a really quick push pretty much straight down there, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a long trade now. Okay, so for a long trade, we look for a buy signal just like this. Again, we are looking for the one bar in the future. And so one bar in the future gives us our signal right there. It's going to set our long trade right there, put our stop right below that cloud, and target the 1 to 2 risk reward. Also, I should mention that the creator said in the source video that once you set an order, it either hits your take profit or it hits your stop, and you do not switch positions even if you get a signal in the opposite direction. And so let's go play this one forward here and see what we get. So you see right there, we picked up a sell signal, but we're just going to ignore that because once again, creator said it either hits the take profit or it hits the stop. And I messed up our trade there. All right, just like that. So you see that we finally make this spike to the upside here, which gets us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. Now we have the 1 to 2 risk reward, so that does put things in our favor nicely. And so on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, that means that you would have gained $13,200. On the losing side though, on 28 trades, risking $300, your total drawdown there would have been $8,400 for a total gain of $4,800 altogether. And so not a bad little strategy, all in all things considered. Compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. During that same period of time, we did 44 trades. We had 29 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting us at an 88% win rate. If you were looking to risk and gain the same monetary risk as above, so on the winning side, $600 per winning trade. That would have been a total of $23,400. On the losing side, though, we were risking $780 because the risk reward is different. And so 5 losing trades would have put you down $3,900 for a total gain of $19,500, again during that same period of time. And so considerably better using the Academy of Forex strategy. Doesn't necessarily mean that this strategy is worse, but you could definitely do better with the Academy of Forex strategy. And so, like I said, all things considered, not too bad either way. And so this is Sasquatch here. This is our Discord server, and Sasquatch is one of the members of our servers here, and he is a professional prop firm trader full time. And just for the fun of it, he took the Academy of Forex strategy and started a prop firm challenge with it here. And you can see that in 1 day and I believe it was 30 some odd minutes, his total gain was 4.79% on the account, with a win rate of 90.91, so a 90% win rate, and was doing really nicely. You can pause the video to see what he said here, and you can go ahead and look at the statistics from his prop firm challenge dashboard there to attest to the efficiency of the Academy of Forex strategy. And so let's go ahead and go over the weekly trades. And so these are the trades from last week on these 4 pairs that we track and have identified as some of the better pairs, Forex pairs to trade, and 1 crypto coin. You can see the Bitcoin USD there. So we did 6 trades in Forex. We had 5 winning trades. We had 1 losing trade. 83% is the win rate there. If we were looking to gain the $600, we would have gained $3,000 altogether. We would have lost $780 on the 1 trade, giving us $2,220. On the crypto side, we had 3 trades altogether. All of those were winning trades for the week for a 100% win rate and a total gain of $1,800. That means the total on all these trades would have been $4,020 altogether. So a nice little haul for the week. Again, just risking, minimal amount of money there. And so all in all, like I said, this strategy here is not a bad strategy. I definitely think it had some merit to it and would have gotten you some profits. But again, the Academy of Forex strategy did better in the long run. So it's up to you. Either way, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a 7-day free trial. Just join our Patreon down below and you'll be sent the information on how to access that. And so that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the winning list and we'll move on to the next video from here.